Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And today I'm so excited to announce that we will be at the North Attleboro Farmers Market this year. So this is my first time. I've lived in North Attleboro for many years, but this is my first time ever of doing the farmers market. So it was previously on Wednesdays, so that definitely didn't work for me. But this year they moved it to Saturdays. So I applied and I will be one of the vendors. I'm so excited. So we will be coming with lots of our handmade products. We would also have in some accessories. And this year I will be coming in with my paw balm. So if you have your best friend with you, definitely get your best friend a paw balm because usually in the summertime, yeah, dogs they have cracked heels and things like that. So they would benefit a lot from using the paw balm, which is a protective treatment for their paws and just to keep your best friend's paws smooth and healthy. And so I'll have also body butters with body butters. And this year I will be coming with tallow balm. So I never really sold tallow balm on the website, but I will be having that available at the farmers market. So tallow is an animal fat. So if you were vegan, then I would also have vegan options for body butters. Most of our body butters are actually vegan, but this tallow is something that I'm launching because there's some people that really love it and it is very good for skincare and hair care. So I will be coming in with tallow body butter and I'll have kupuasu body butter. There will be so many ingredients to also buy if you want to make yours at home. So I would have mango butter, shea butter, all the favorites will be on display. Also, there will be some oils, essential oils, and I would have giveaways as well. So I would have giveaway like a candle kit, and I'll also have some accessories. So we do have some handmade accessories that we sell on our website. So we have bracelets, and these are really nice handmade bracelets that use really wonderful high quality beads. So I'll be coming in with those as well as some head wraps, headbands, and it would just be great. I just want you to come out and come see us. And if you can come over, definitely order from the website because also the handmade products are available on the website. And it's just always there for you to order. But just coming out physically, you would be able to actually see the ingredients before you buy them. So things like cocoa butter. So I would have cocoa butter just on display because you know how it smells. It smells incredible. Everyone will want to just come to our booth just to smell cocoa butter because it's such a rich natural ingredient. And I'll have that on display as well. And I would also have shea butter, which is also everybody's favorite. And there'll be whipped body butters, lip balms, body balms, and I would also have a beard butter. So if you come over with your husband or your significant other, like they will definitely have something. There's something for everyone. There's something for the kids to also use in their skin. And nowadays, younger kids are very interested in taking care of their skin, which is something I love to see. And the natural products are obviously the best without any additional dangerous ingredients. So definitely come out and we will be so excited to chat with you. So it starts 9 o'clock every day, every Saturday, and it runs till 1 p.m. So it would run for a few weeks, but yeah, I may not come every week just because I might take a vacation. Obviously, it's summer, but I'll be there most of the weeks. So just definitely stay tuned to our YouTube channel or also on Instagram. So I will be letting you guys know what the specials will be because some of the weeks I would have more of certain products and less of certain products. Just check out our Instagram page. Also check out our YouTube page just to stay informed about the what would be the specials every week. And I will be so happy to have you check out my booth and just come and chat. That would be really great. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Stay blessed. Bye.